Today we are in the Welding 1 lab, and what we have is horseshoe pumpkins. And my students started this fundraiser about 2 years ago, and it's been growing ever since. The kids learn how to prep the metal. They also use the wire feed machine, and they're learning different positions. As turning the pumpkin, they're going to learn the uphill, flat, horizontal welds, as well as we do our AWS certifications as well.
It's honestly really nice because when you go out into the real world, there's a lot of stuff you would have to do, like go through college, get all your certifications. You don't know how long that could take. But if you get it done in high school, then it doesn't take as long.
I think it's cool because I think it's 2 more certifications this year, which means we could go work over the summer.
I'm actually doing something and creating something instead of just learning about it. I can actually build.
It's like when you make art. It's really good to see other people buying it. It just makes you feel better because people like what you make. It makes me feel really good about myself.